You are setting up a local Azure Functions application project using the Azure Functions Core Tools. You need to configure the project for Python or C# without relying on default templates. Which command and parameter must you execute? The options are A. Func new, B. Func init, C. Func Azure, D. --language, E. --worker runtime, and F. --target framework. The Azure Functions Core Tools allow developers to build and test functions locally. When starting a new project, you must distinguish between creating the overall directory structure versus adding specific function endpoints later. Choosing the right command sets the foundation, while specific parameters are used to define the underlying execution environment for your chosen programming language. I believe the correct choices are option B, func init, and option E, --worker runtime. The func init command is the essential starting point for initializing a new Azure Functions project, establishing the necessary configuration files. To specify the development environment, such as Python or C#, you must pair this with the --worker runtime parameter. Explain which answer is correct and why. Other options like func new are used to add specific functions to an existing project, rather than initializing the project itself. Option C, func Azure, is for management tasks related to Azure resources, while the other parameters listed do not define the worker runtime language. When working with these tools, remember that init is for project creation, and worker-runtime defines the language scope.